Jai Jinendra kids, how are you all? Today we will learn about diversity of life. So let's begin. Diversity of life. There are various kinds of life forms in the universe, each with unique lifestyle.
जीव are of two types, सांसारिक जीव, मुक्त जीव. Worldly beings, सांसारिक जीव. Living beings who experience pains and pleasure of the world are known as worldly beings. जो जीव संसार में रहते हैं वे सांसारिक जीव कहलाते हैं. ये दो प्रकार के होते हैं, स्थावर जीव और त्रस्त जीव.
स्थावर जीव. स्थावर life forms are ekindriya जीव. They have only touch sense and they lack the power of locomotion. स्थावर जीव ही एकइंद्रिय जीव होते हैं. उनमें केवल स्पर्शन इंद्रिय ही होती है.
स्थावर जीव are of 5 types. First, पृथ्वी कायिक जीव, earth bodied beings. Their body is made of earth. Example, soil, sand, etc. जल कायिक जीव, water bodied beings. Their body is made up of water. Example, water, snowflakes, etc.
अग्नि कायिक जीव, fire bodied beings. Their body is made up of fire. Example, candle, flame, etc. वायु कायिक जीव, air bodied beings. Their body is made up of air. Example, wind.
वनस्पति कायिक जीव, vegetation bodied beings. Their body is made of vegetation. Example, tree, plant, etc. A plant life can have one or more souls in a single body, and depending upon this, plant life is further divided into the following 2 subcategories. First, प्रत्येक वनस्पति कायिक. Second, साधारण वनस्पति कायिक.
त्रस्त जीव. Thrust life forms comprise of 2, 3, 4 and 5 sensed organisms. त्रस्त जीव have the power of locomotion. द्विइंद्रिय, त्रिइंद्रिय, चार इंद्रिय और पंचेंद्रिय जीव ही त्रस्त जीव कहलाते हैं. Two sensed beings. द्विइंद्रिय जीव. Two sensed beings have the senses of touch and taste. Example, shells, worms, insects, etc. जिनमें स्पर्शन इंद्रिय और रसना इंद्रिय पाई जाती है वे द्विइंद्रिय जीव कहलाते हैं.
Three sensed beings. त्रिइंद्रिय जीव. Three sensed beings have the senses of touch, taste and smell. Example, bugs, lice, etc. जिसमें स्पर्शन इंद्रिय, रसना इंद्रिय और घ्राण इंद्रिय पाई जाती है वे त्रिइंद्रिय जीव होते हैं. Four sensed beings. चार इंद्रिय जीव. Four sensed beings have the senses of touch, taste, smell and sight. Example, crickets, spiders, etc. जिसमें स्पर्शन इंद्रिय, चक्षु इंद्रिय, घ्राण इंद्रिय और रसना इंद्रिय पाई जाती है वे चार इंद्रिय जीव होते हैं.
Five sensed beings. पंचेंद्रिय जीव. Five sensed beings have all the 5 senses of touch, taste, smell, sight and hearing. Example, human beings, cows. जिनमें रसना इंद्रिय, स्पर्शन इंद्रिय, घ्राण इंद्रिय, चक्षु इंद्रिय एवं कर्ण इंद्रिय पाई जाती हैं वे पंचेंद्रिय जीव कहलाते हैं. पंचेंद्रिय जीव आर ऑफ 4 टाइप्स, ह्यूमन बींग्स, त्रियंश बींग्स, हेवन बींग्स एंड हेल बींग्स.
नोट, संगी जीव, असंगी जीव. Among the 5 sensed organism, those who are capable of learning and receiving the teachings are known as sangi. Human beings, heavenly beings, hell beings and some of the Triyansh 5 sensed beings belong to Sangi group, while those who are not capable of learning and receiving the teachings are known as Asangi. All 1 to 4 sensed beings and some of the Triyansh 5 sensed beings like water snakes, certain parrots, etc. belong to Asangi group.
मुक्त जीव. Liberated souls have no karms and therefore they are no longer in the cycle of birth and death. They do not live among us, but reside at the uppermost part of this universe called Siddhashila. They are formless and shapeless, have perfect knowledge and perception, and have infinite vigor and bliss. All Siddhas are equal and there is no difference in their status. जो जीव इस संसार से मुक्त हो गए हों और सिद्धशिला में विराजमान हों वे ही मुक्त जीव कहलाते हैं. Jai Jinendra kids!